What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide posts on your Instagram profile without deleting them. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up the Instagram app on your device and ensure you're logged in to the correct account. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. This action takes you to your personal Instagram profile, where all your posts are displayed. Scroll through your profile to locate the post you wish to hide. Take your time to find the right one, ensuring you select the post you intend to hide from your profile. After finding the post, tap on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the post. This will open a menu with several options. In the menu, look for the Archive option and select it. This choice will immediately hide the post from your public profile feed. Remember, archiving is not the same as deleting. When you archive a post, it is simply removed from public view but remains saved on your account. Finally, go back to your account page and make sure that the post is no longer visible. This confirmation step is important to ensure that the post has been successfully hidden from your profile. By following these steps, you can easily manage the visibility of your posts on Instagram without permanently deleting them. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.